The Heat and Glow Metro 32 is a contemporary style fireplace with simple lines and seamless presentation. It is available as a two-sided or single-sided fireplace and features a shallow footprint that fits into smaller living spaces. Don't expect a smaller fire though. The Metro 32 has a large 32-inch viewing area. It's equipped with a porcelain interior firebox and a choice of several modern front options that are available in multiple rich color finishes. The look can be customized with your choice of attractive media in several color options.